Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth product reviews. Today, we're taking a close look at the Cuisinart CPB-380 Hurricane Compact Juicing Blender in Gunmetal. This compact blender promises power and convenience, perfect for those on the go or with limited kitchen space. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The Cuisinart CPB-380 is designed to tackle a variety of blending tasks, all within a sleek, compact frame. At its core, it features a 1+ peak horsepower motor, which gives it the power to blend, juice, and chop with ease. This is not a typical low-powered blender. With rotary dial controls, you can switch between pulse, low, and high settings, making it versatile for various ingredients and blending needs. The blender comes with a 32-aughts BPA-free Tritan jar, which is both durable and shatter-resistant, perfect for everyday use. The accessories lock securely into place, so there's no need to worry about spills or messes while blending. Plus, all parts are dishwasher-safe, including the removable blade assembly, which makes cleanup a breeze. The inclusion of 2 travel cups, one double wall and one single wall, offers additional convenience for those who like to take their drinks on the go. Now, let's talk about real-world testing. I spent a few days using this blender to prepare smoothies, shakes, and even a quick juice. First off, setting up the blender was a breeze. The instructions were clear and the parts easily snapped into place. I tested it with a variety of ingredients, from frozen fruits and leafy greens to tougher vegetables like carrots. On the high setting, the motor performed admirably, blending everything to a smooth consistency in just a few seconds. Even with the 32-aughts jar, the blender felt stable on the countertop, thanks to its solid base. One thing that stood out was how quiet it was compared to other blenders in this price range. It's definitely not silent, but it's quieter than expected for a blender with a 1+ peak horsepower motor. When it came to juicing, I tested it using the included 16-aughts chopper cup to handle smaller batches. It chopped up ingredients quickly, and the blade assembly was effective at breaking down everything without leaving large chunks behind. One thing I'll note is that while the blender is powerful, it's best suited for smaller batches due to the size of the jar. If you need to blend larger quantities regularly, you might find the capacity limiting. But for those who want something compact and efficient, this is a solid option. In terms of build quality, the Cuisinart CPB-380 doesn't disappoint. The plastic used for the jar and cups is durable and BPA-free, which is important for health-conscious consumers. The base has a sturdy feel to it, and the dial controls are responsive and easy to adjust. The 36-inch cord provides decent flexibility, though some might find it a bit short if you're used to larger kitchen appliances. Overall, it feels like a solid, well-built appliance that will hold up well with regular use. As for the pros and cons, let's start with the positives. The motor is powerful enough to handle a variety of ingredients, from soft fruits to harder vegetables. The removable blade assembly is a huge plus, making cleanup so much easier compared to other models where you have to worry about cleaning around the blades. The inclusion of 2 travel cups makes it a great choice for anyone who wants a blender that can double as a portable solution for busy mornings. The 32-aughts jar is a good size for most everyday blending tasks, and its shatter-resistant design provides peace of mind. On the downside, though, the size of the jar might be limiting if you're blending for multiple people at once or preparing larger batches. The 36-inch cord, while reasonable, might not provide as much flexibility as some other blenders, especially if you have outlets located further away from your prep space. When it comes to value for money, the Cuisinart CPB-380 offers a solid mix of quality and performance at a mid-range price. It's not the cheapest blender on the market, but it certainly holds its own in terms of power, ease of use, and build quality. For anyone in the market for a compact blender that can handle a variety of tasks without taking up too much space, this is a good buy. There are cheaper options out there, but they often come with lower power motors or fewer features. It's priced competitively for what it offers, making it a solid investment for those who want a reliable, everyday blender. Now let's briefly compare this to some other compact blenders in the same price range. The NutriBullet Pro 900 is another popular option, offering similar power and ease of use. However, the NutriBullet typically comes with fewer accessories and lacks a dial control system, which could make the Cuisinart a more versatile choice for some. On the other hand, if you're looking for something even more compact, the Magic Bullet could be worth considering, but it sacrifices power and blending capacity for its smaller size. When it comes to raw power, the Cuisinart CPB-380 stands out with its 1+ peak horsepower motor, giving it an edge in terms of performance, especially when handling tougher ingredients. In terms of build quality, the Cuisinart CPB-380 is made from high-quality BPA-free plastic and feels solid overall. The jar and cups are both shatter-resistant, which adds a layer of durability. Over time, based on my experience with Cuisinart products, I'd expect this blender to hold up well with regular use, though as with any product, you'll need to avoid overloading it or misusing the motor to ensure long-term durability. Customer support from Cuisinart is known to be reliable, with fast response times and helpful representatives. I haven't had to contact them directly for this product, but based on the brand's reputation, you can generally expect good service if any issues arise. They also offer a limited warranty, which is always a reassuring factor when purchasing kitchen appliances. As for software updates, they're not relevant for this model, as it's a simple, motor-driven appliance without smart features. The focus is entirely on the physical performance of the blender, and based on my testing, it delivers as expected. To wrap things up, the Cuisinart CPB-380 Hurricane Compact Juicing Blender offers a solid blend of power, performance, and convenience. It's a great for individuals or small families who want a reliable blender that can handle a variety of tasks without taking up too much space. While the smaller jar size and shorter cord might be drawbacks for some, its overall value for money and solid build quality make it a worthwhile option for anyone in the market for a compact blender. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts about the Cuisinart CPB-380, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you're ready to get your hands on this blender, you'll find the link in the comments box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next review. Until next time, keep blending.